Hello, everyone. So, one key component of conversations which you'll need to master is have the ability to ask and respond to straightforward questions. So, whilst you may feel like you have a solid grasp on this already, here are a couple of things to consider which may be of use to you to make this element of skill more effective for you. So, firstly, train your ears. So, make sure you practice listening to others speak. So, using subtitles on your television or the videos you watch will help you to be able to understand what is being said and how you can respond. So, this is vital research that will greatly improve your ability to speak the language. When being asked questions which may not immediately be clear, don't be afraid to ask the speaker to repeat themselves. So, can you repeat that, please? This will not only give you time to consider your response, but it will help to make you seem a more confident speaker in general. If asked a question, you may also like to reword the question at the start of your response to help make your response clearer. So, for example, what did you think of the film? You might be asked. And you can say, what did I think of the film? I enjoyed it. So you can hear how I've simplified my structure, a bit, it's my tone of voice that has changed. But finally, the best way, as always, to be able to become more and more familiar and confident with this skill is to practice. If you want to be a concert pianist, you need to practice. If you want to be the greatest sports person one's ever known, that takes practice. If you want to master being able to read, write, and speak and listen to others, guess what? It takes practice. So, hopefully that's been helpful to you, but now it's your turn to practice. So, thank you and good luck.